Welcome to BobMath. In this video we have a new exercise for geometry. Well, our exercise is as follow. We consider the figure as its side such that we have the isosceles triangle ABC at point B, and we also have it the straight line MF perpendicular to the straight line AB, and straight line MD perpendicular to straight line BC, and straight line CN perpendicular to straight line AB. The question is as follow. Show that CN equals MD plus MF. Before discussing the solution, try to complete the exercise to increase your skill in mathematics, then complete the video. Now we have area of triangle ABC equals area of triangle BME plus area of triangle BMC. For triangle ABC, straight line CN is the height, and straight line AB represents the base. So CN times AB divided by 2 equals, and for triangle BMA, straight line MF is the height, and straight line AB is the base. So MF times AB divided by 2, and straight line MD is the height, and straight line BC represents the base for triangle BMC. Therefore, MD times BC divided by 2. Now we have AB equals BC, so CN times EB divided by 2 equals MF times EB divided by 2 plus MD times AB divided by 2. Therefore, CN times AB divided by 2 equals, now we have a common factor, a number AB divided by 2. So AB divided by 2 times MF plus MD. Now we multiply this equation by the number 2 divided by AB. So we got 2 divided by AB times CN times AB divided by 2 equals 2 divided by AB times AB divided by 2 times MF plus MD. Now we simplify the numbers 2 and AB, so we got CN equals MF plus MD. So this is the relationship required in this exercise. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.